could not wait to tell you guys about this new app that I was introduced to by one of my YouTube subscribers, Yolanda Hunter. Thank you so much. Mwah! You get a kiss blown through the camera. This app on Coumadin is awesome. So basically, before we get down to the nitty-gritty, you guys know I always have a story, but I will make it quick. I don't usually manage Coumadin at the clinic. We have a Coumadin clinic we can send our patients to for their Coumadin to be managed. We all know that you have to be really on the up and up with this. It takes a lot of monitoring. So most of the providers send their patients to the Coumadin clinic for management. I do. There is one physician at the clinic that likes to manage his own Coumadin. So he was out one day and his patient came in. Her INR had been elevated and she had been in the hospital and she was coming for a hospital follow-up. Guess who got that patient that day? Yep, me. So basically, I didn't have to do much because the hospital had already adjusted her Coumadin one day before, so I did an INR. But that really left me feeling a little, I told you guys, when I feel weak on something or if I feel like I need more information, when I get home, that is the thing I research, and that's something you all should remember. So of course I went home and I made I spent time researching on Coumadin. I put an insert in my binder on management of Coumadin, and I will put a link below to the document. So let's talk a little bit about this app. And this is the Coumadin app here. And basically you see that you choose a warfarin resource you would like to review. So this app can help you with indications, targets, duration, how to initiate warfarin, adjust warfarin. So basically if you clicked here, it would tell you review the INR target and duration of warfarin therapy according to medical indication grouped in these categories. So if the patient had a DVT or a PE, then it tells you what the target is and what the usual amount of time is the patient is on that medication. But in order for this video not to be crazy long, let's just talk a little bit about adjusting warfarin. Isn't that cool? You get to choose a target INR. So if your patient's target is 2 to 3, you can click on here, and then the most recent result. Oh, the lady that came in, actually, her INR was 3.1. So we would, for a patient whose INR is 3.1 to 3.9, we decrease the total weekly dose by 5 to 10%. And the next INR would be in 10 to 14 days. Now, you know, these are, I wouldn't wait. Not 10 to 14 days. The next INR will be 7 to 14 days. I personally wouldn't wait that long. Of course, you don't have to go exactly by what this says. But what I love is that decreasing the lady that I saw a couple of weeks ago, decreasing her dose by 10% led me exactly to what the hospital had decreased her dose to. She was on 12, and then she told me they decreased her to 10. So I did the calculation using my handy dandy little app here. I did the calculation and it was perfect. It was exactly what she was decreased to. So I really like that. We can go by the most recent result and adjust the Coumadin. You can also initiate warfarin. And then there is information on using warfarin for perioperative management, but they really direct you to another app. Pre-op eval 14 is the other app they send you to if you want to do warfarin perioperative management. So basically that is it. This, I'll tell you guys about the app. This app was basically designed, the content and design by Joshua Steinberg, MD of Wilson Family Practice Residency in Binghamton, New York. So I really like this app. It's really cool. I'll give you guys a really close up of it right there. The Warfarin Guide. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. So that is the app, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up the video if you liked it. Leave comments below and follow me on Nurse Lotta, which is on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And have a good day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.